Hello, Cadre 26. My name is Ryan, and today I'm going to be exploring some unique applications that you can find on the internet. In my top three picks on my websites, I actually enjoyed the 20 applications you can check out. And so since I can't go through all 20 applications, I decided to pick two of those that I wanted to go through. Uh, Today I'm going to check out the TinyURL application and Trello. All right, so why don't we start with TinyURL? I've heard of URL shorteners before, but have never had a chance to check it out. I know Google has one, so let's go to Google's. We'll type in Google TinyURL. Here we go, we have Google's URL shortener. We've got a couple of others. Here's TinyURLs. So Google says to paste your URL here. We'll get one to shorten. I tested it out just because I didn't want to go in totally blind before this video, but I'll show you how it works. Let's go to a website, IGN.com. Now, IGN's a website that does reviews for video games, movies, and TV. Let's check out movies. The hottest one here seems to be the review for Batman versus Superman: Dawn of Justice. And here it is. This is their review on Batman versus Superman. So the URL isn't horribly long. We've seen longer URLs, I'm sure. But let's go ahead and shorten this one. I'm going to highlight it. I'll copy it and paste it over here. Shorten URL. And there we go. Created my URL 0 minutes ago, and it made it nice and small. Now I can take this URL here and copy it and paste it into like a chat box or maybe an email, so that way I don't have a giant URL taking up my entire email. And theoretically, if I close this here, I should be able to click on this URL and it should take me to that review. So let's go ahead and check it out. There you go, look at that, nice and fast. All right, so that is a TinyURL. Now let's check out Trello, shall we? I believe the website for Trello is Trello.com. And here we go. So I created an account for Trello already because I didn't want to waste airtime with you guys watching me try and create an account. It's pretty easy. You just sign up, ask you a couple of questions, and here you go. Essentially, Trello is a project management site. You can use it to track various projects. The great thing about Trello is you can use it for personal. Maybe you have a home improvement project you want to do, or you want to use it for work. I've got support desk projects over here. You can have as many boards as you want. You can always create a new board. You can create a new team. So I'll show you guys how I kind of designed this. I'm still learning it, so I didn't do anything too fancy, but how I designed it to work with my projects at work. Go into support desk. So I made three panels here. One called To Do, one called In Progress, and one called Completed. So I can sign in here, access my menu, and I'll see who my members are of my team. So there's myself, Ryan Lucchese. These are my colleagues. I added them as members of this board as well. They can jump in and start working on projects. So let's say I want to image laptop 1. I'll grab image laptop 1, write a comment. See, I will begin working on laptop 1. It's my comment. I'll send it. Now everybody will see that I've made that comment to everyone. I'll take it. I'll begin working on laptop 1. If I want to, I can add more comments. People can comment on it with suggestions maybe. And they can do other stuff too. You can add a due date. That's pretty nice, so you can handle more time-sensitive projects first. You can add attachments to your project. Maybe you have some directions in a PDF you want people to see. You can add members to a specific project here. Let's check out attachments real quick. And see, this is nice. Look, I can add attachments directly from my computer, Google Drive, Dropbox, Regular Box, or OneDrive. And once the project's completed, I'll move it over here to my completed list. So that's Trello in a nutshell. I encourage you to jump on here, check it out. I'm going to be employing Trello a little bit more myself. Maybe I can use it to track my projects at work, and maybe you can use it for your classroom or for your personal use. So that's Trello. Thank you very much for joining me today, and I'll be going ahead and signing off.